mag-isa lang mga Lady Bulldogs. Pero yung errors rin ng Ateneo, 3 more than NU. And ang naging kwento dun sa first set na yun, ang nakita ko talagang very evident is that the Lady Bulldogs really played well as a team. Yung iba parang may connection, like yung quick ni Dadang at ni Ivy Perez na ngayon natin nakita, very solid yung mga
yung
quick hits.
Mandapat, ang ganda
si
ng laro.
Mandapat, sinimulan niya ng di ba? Very, yung mga atake rin niya. And si Myla Pablo, nung simula, medyo nagkaroon ng konting nahirapan siya dun sa mga spikes niya. May mga miss hits. Pero after nun, tuloy-tuloy na.
Uy! Uy!
Wow!
Kilala natin yan.
Hindi naman anak nila yun, di ba?
Hindi. Maliit pa yung anak nila. Congressman Lino Cayetano. And
Phil Kainglet.
Phil Kainglet also here in attendance.
Welcome. Yup. Nice to see you.
Kitang-kita mo naman.
Kaya,
Sweet na
bilis
sweet.
lumaki
Na,
na.
sweet na sweet
Anak,
naman sila. Ayan na si Ariel Patnongon. Working her way back to the bench. Mamaya we'll have a report from Ivy Remulla on that one. 1-0 after that Eliza Valdez strike. Bawi kagad si Jaja. What a national team we will have.
Oh yes, ako I can just imagine kung yung lahat ng yung pwede talaga. Yung
Pasok sa under 23 ang dalawang yan eh. Isipin mo
napakalakas. Ang
Jaja
daming
Santiago,
potential.
Dindin pasok pa rin sa under 23, Eliza Valdez, Gretchel Soltones. Metro Manila pa lang yan yung sinasabi natin.
Daming pwede.
Di pa natin sinasama si NN Raterta from Davao. Di ba? Yun ang magandang set.
Matutuwa yung mga ibang bansa
Ikaw
doon.
tuwa ka doon eh. Uuwi mo na yan sa bahay nyo eh.
Hindi ko na nauwi. Gliceliana now with 5 points, Valdez with 4, Mandapat with 5, Santiago with 4.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Valdez, Ivy Perez, binalik sa Ateneo. Gia Morado, combination, Eliza again!
What a hit from Eliza Valdez. At alam niya yung kung saan niya ilulugar eh. Ang maganda kasi kay Eliza, it's a combination of a power hit and she knows where to put the ball. Ang ganda ng, ang tawag mo dito, para magkamadang-kamada yung bola kung saan niya ilalagay.
Well, it is 2-all. Bagong serve galing dito kay Gia Morado. Still does not work. Dinagdagan pa ng tape yung braso niya during the break, So that fall earlier na higaan ulit yung braso niya might have been more painful than we thought it was. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Morado, Morente.
Morente getting it through in spite of 2 blockers in front of her.
Tied at 3. Guess who's serving? Mamaya, tingnan muna
Kailan
natin.
pa ba i-guess?
Tingnan natin muna itong uling tira ni Mitch Morente. Eliza excited na mag-serve. Ayan.
Oh, nice.
Fatima General getting to that one. Here's Mandapat, Valdez, Dadang!
Desiree Dadang taking that present, taking that gift.
Ilag para masagip ang sariling buhay ang ginawa doon ni Mitch Morente. 4-3 NU. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Mandapat serving. Good serve once again. Valdez gets to it. Kekiliana, naabangan doon ni Perez. Eliza, tayo. Bigay ulit kay Kekiliana. Abang na naman si Perez.
Then they're just doing a magnificent job.
But that time, Mitch Morente kinulang sa lakas. Hitting error against Ateneo.
Nakita niya medyo na, kumbaga nandun na yung 2 blockers ng NU. Gusto niyang baguhin yung palo niya.
5-3 NU. Mandapat. Lazaro gets to that one. Kekiliana, nakabuelo, tinulak yung bola. Myla Pablo. Perez, hulog. Nandun naman si Bea De Leon.
Bea De Leon.
Ganda ng base.
Ganda ng reaction at yung pinwestohan ng bola.
So De Leon will go back to serve. A freshman from Poveda High School. 6-footer na freshman.
5'11" na naman sasabihin.
Hindi, 6-footer yan.
Hindi mapapagkaila.
Si Maddie Madayag pag nakita natin mamaya.
Isa pa, galing Davao naman.
Yep. There's Morado leaving it for Morente.
Morente this time using the blockers, getting that off the block hit.
Mas kumakayod natin ngayon dito sa ating second set. As you can see, Morente, dalawa na kalaban niya ron. Si Morente, patented celebration. Dalawang hintuturo niya talaga to the heavens. No? 5-all. De Leon. Sing, hindi nasalo.
Good serve.
So, Ateneo now up by 1. Bea De Leon getting a lot of playing time today due to the injury to Ariel Patnongon. Ivy Perez, galing likod, Jaja. Ando naman si Eliza to dig it up. Kay Kiliana. Jaja digs it up. Free ball. Hindi umabot. The linesman had to help Efrenga at that time.
But credit the effort of NU trying to save that ball.
Di pa natin nakikita tumakbo pa atras si Coach Tai. Hintay ko yun, yung pabalik-balik pero tumatakbo pa atras. Bea De Leon, very close to that out-of-bounds area bago siya
But I like her
mag-serve.
serve. What an improvement.
Right. Jaja digs it up. Ivy Perez, kabila. Myla Pablo. Nakabang si Amy Ahumiro. One more time. Galing sa likod. Jaja, Amy Ahumiro. Getting it down.
Amy Ahumiro just really binabantay niya. She's just there in the middle taking care of business.
3-point lead for Ateneo.
Kay Jaja, normally kasi yung second ball, hindi na masyado naaabangan pero sa Amy inintay eh.
We send it over to Ivy Remulla. Ano nangyari kay Ariel Patnongon, Ivy?
Yes, Noel, we all saw that Ariel Patnongan has sprained her right ankle during the first set, but not to worry to all the Ateneo fans because she's up and about. She's already walking and standing, although she said that she can still feel the pain and her foot start to swell. And meanwhile, Coach Tai told the Lady Eagles that they need to receive better starting here in the second set in order to get the points in. He also told the girls to forget about the first set and to start anew. Meanwhile, for the Lady Bulldogs, blocking is very important, most especially in breaking the momentum of Ateneo's attacks. Coach Dong is also looking for more variations sa atake ng Lady Bulldogs to make it more difficult for Ateneo to defend. NU recognizes that Ateneo has good floor defense, so kailangan they have to play smart in order to break this. Mozi and Noel?
Well, kailangan nga naman talaga all those facets. Another drop shot as Ivy Perez now is the one who goes down. Hawak-hawak yung kanyang balikat. Ay, mukhang matibay-tibay naman to si Ivy Perez eh. Pero that's good news for Ariel Patnongon also na nakakalakad na siya.
Nakita ko nga,
on her
nung
own
nakalakad
power.
siya, well, at least that's good news. Mukhang hindi, masyadong masakit. Ilalakad niya eh.
And it also helps na we have a service here against Morente. Also helps na si Ariel Patnongon. Ang laki ng pinayat.
Yeah,
Remember when she was a freshman nung first time niya maglaro sa Ateneo?
On the big side pa siya.
On the big side pa siya that she's lost a lot of weight, is able to maintain that. And that also helps pag nagkaroon ka ng mga injuries, especially in your lower extremities.
Yeah.
Na hindi masyadong malaki yung weight na kinuha ng tuhod, ng sakong. Here's Jonelle Singh. Using the hands of Morado did not work. Gekiliana. Cross-court attack.
And they've been really finding the open spots. Diba yung mga walang katao-tao dun sa side again na yun ng NU. And they've been doing that.
Kailangan na, yung nga lang, si Gekiliana, pag nakascore, kailangan gayahin niya yung celebration ni Mitch Morente. Tinuturo na ni Mitch Morente kung anong gagawin sa kanila.
Well, so far, Ateneo with 5 attack points, NU having 2, but Ateneo also having 2 block points.
Here's Jaja getting it across. Denden Lazaro. Iniangat for Eliza Valdez. Blocked there by Ivy Perez. And Eliza getting a tongue lashing now from Coach Tai.
Well, it's actually Morado ang sinabihan niya. Why? Because nandun na sa gilid. Sobrang gilit na yung set na yun kay Eliza. So, wala na masyadong path. Kumbaga, wala na siyang pagpipilian.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. 2-point lead, yeah.
Pag nakulong ko kasi dyan yung space na meron ka ng antena, tapos may dalawang blockers, medyo mahirap na magawa ng paraan.
Mas maganda yung atake niya ron that time. Eliza Valdez. Tandaan natin that Eliza is coming off 2 consecutive 30-point games, 32 and 30.
My goodness.
Here's Ahumiro. General Perez, Santiago.
Oh,
That should work.
Jaja with hang time. Nailed that killer.
Alam mo si General, ang laki ng kailangan niyang role na
True.
gampanan dito.
Tama. Totoo
If
ka
it were
dyan.
not for General, that play would not have been possible.
Kasi kung di, wasted eh.
Ah.
Yung excellent spikers mo, like Jaja. Sayang naman kung di mo siya mapapapalo ng maayos.
Hindi pagkaraniwan itong mga error ni Jaja sa serve, ha? Usually, consistent si Jaja. Tuturo niya yung palad niya. Mukhang pinagtatawanan siya ni Edget Mabayad tuloy ngayon. Sino ba nagtuturo sino ba service coach nila si Edget? Perez, back set, Sing. Blocked by Eliza Valdez.
And Eliza, offensive block there. Look how she turned her body in.
Ito. Magandang angulo to.
Tingnan mo, pinihit pa niya papunta dun sa kabila para pumasok uli sa court ng NU.
13-9 Ateneo. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gia Morado with the Ruby de Leon-like serve that time. Dadang, nope, violation. Good call by Africa. Net violation.
Net violation called against NU.
Kasi pababa na si Dadang nung tinira niya.
Ateneo with a 5-point lead. And you're seeing a much more aggressive Ateneo in the second set.
Oo naman. At saka mas relaxed din. Ateneo. Timeout NU. Sports/Campus Sports for all the latest tungkol sa Shakey's V-League. Aba, pinupuntahan na po tayo ng ating mga kaibigang artista dito. Si Ana Capri from Quezon City ang ating face of the day. At
Salamat naman sa dalaw.
Si Barry Pasqua biglang napangiti, nagpa-picture lahat.
Naunahan ka na direct, pasensya na.
Wala. Dito, iba talaga pag nandito ka sa harapan. So maraming salamat ba yung mga artista. Maraming dumadalo na rin dito.
Yung mga, di ba nakikita naman natin na marami rin naglalaro ng volleyball.
That's true. Mandapat ngayon, setting up Jorel Singh. Banggaan to sa Ateneo. Here's Eliza Valdez. Rest back na.
And Eliza Valdez challenge.
And still apologizing to Coach Tai after that shot.
Tingnan natin muli.
Magpapalitan na tayo ng tao. Jorel Singh will sit down as Eliza Valdez. Nahiya sa ginawa niya.
Ganda nga, parang pinball machine eh. Ayaw ni Coach.
Jorel Singh will now be replaced by Marites Pablo. So the Pablo sisters on the floor at the same time. Here's Ivy Perez. Dadang. That's a double touch.
I think that's going to be a lifting violation.
Lifting ba itatawag?
Ay, double violation ng Perez. Pinilit na niya for that. Kasi yun ang sinasabi ni Coach kanina, isibat mo yung sabi la.
Ang tangkad
pero,
niya eh.
Hindi, pero that wasn't a good first
Oo
ball.
Oo naman. Morado continues to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kanina pa nagsiserve si Morado. Mandapat, sinabi niya. Tama na, sabi ni Denden, buhay pa rin. Valdez, no, what a block. Galing dito ay Marites Pablo, just checked in.
That's right, ang gandang bunot. Marites Pablo with that offensive block.
Si Denden nagtabog nung hindi niya nakuha yung bola.
Pero ibang klase, ibang level na rin to si Denden.
Ay naman.
Ang daming mga palo na minsan akala ko hindi na niya makukuha pero wala, easy niyang natataas.
Pablo with a service error. That's Marites Pablo with a service error.
Wala Ateneo 7 attack points now and you having 4. Pero ang block at serve points ng Ateneo tagtatlo na.
Ay, off the charts na yan. Valdez, General, Myla Pablo, labas.
Myla Pablo, yun yung consistency na binanggit natin kanina. Yan ang hinahanap ni Coach Dong.
Now a 10-point lead for Ateneo. Timeout NU. But Eliza hits into the net. 21-11.
Still a 10-point lead. Mandapat, one of the better servers in this side.
Actually, coming into her own as a serve specialist dito sa Shakey's V-League. May 3 aces na siya today. Kim Gakiliana, airborne off of Ivy Perez's hands.
Off the block na naman ang puntos. Ito si Kim Gakiliana, even in the first set, tahimik lang pero he's been scoring well for Ateneo.
Yan ang katumbas ni Mandapat sa side naman ng
Yes.
Ateneo. Bea de Leon, the freshman. Tingnan mo kung gaano kalapit siya sa out of bounds mag-serve.
Pero ang
Effective
ganda
naman.
talaga. She's really improved her serve.
23-11. Maukunan natin kung nasaan yung paa niya. Ang lapit niyan sa out of bounds. And I'm sure the linesman is already looking. You're not allowed to serve beyond the dotted line.
Correct, right.
Napalakas yung serve ni Bea. Sabay nagmaktol.
So kasi, pinapansin mo
Ako na naman. Ang dami na nagagalit sa akin. Genuinely nagagalit sa akin.
Ito, uy, pero
sabi ni Mami Mosi kasi
Uy, sobra joke lang yun
Morado. Morentes blocked there by Myla Pablo.
Alam mo tayo dito, kulitan natin. May ibang level din
Yan, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Sound effects, hindi na yung tumatahol. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Bigyan mo naman, gusto ko yung audition mo sound effects.
Parang nagmumumog na naman ang labas ko.
Narinig ko na naman. Parang siren Ano yun?
Jurassic Lamok.
Sisipil.
Jurassic Lamok.
Ang laki nun. Here's a good serve again by Dadang. Homiro.
Ay, sabi mo, basketball, di idang.
Slam dunk ang inabot doon kay Amy Homiro. Sabay ang ganda ng ngiti
Sabi mo, basketball, idang.
Pero totoo, basketball player po talaga si Amy
Kahit yung
Homiro.
katawan niya, when you see her, yun yung una mong masasabi na basketball player siguro to.
10 set points for Ateneo. Jaja, binawasan ng isa.
Jaja Santiago. Si Dede na daw siya. Ang hirap naman nun. Kayo naman, porket sinabi ibang level, pati yung palo, ibang level.
Uy, kaya niya yun Naunahan
hindi naman.
lang siya that time.
Pero, alam mo, pag na-perfect ni Ivy and ito ni Jaja Santiago, yung height, yung mataas na height na kaya ni Jaja, mahirapan talaga ma-block si Jaja.
Marites Pablo looking for a check ball, not coming. What a comeback for Ateneo, 25-15. Nakuha nila yung second set. We are now tied at 1 set apiece. So, ang daming pagpipilian para sa ating shake and play dito. So, puntahan na lang natin yung slam dunk ni Amy Homiro. We'll be back for set number 3.